Elephants are the largest land mammals with adult elephants weighing up to 6 tons. Their trunks are both strong and sensitive. They can pick up a small peanut or push over a tree. Elephants live in complex social groups, usually led by a matriarch. They have exceptional memories, remembering water sources they visited years ago. Elephants are one of the few animals that mourn their dead, showing long-lasting bonds with deceased herd members. They flap their large ears to cool themselves, acting like natural air conditioners. An adult elephant eats about 150 kilograms of plants and drinks nearly 50 liters of water daily. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Stay tuned for more.